Is Vipul and Syed Imagineer.
Hello everyone, I am Syed Faim Akhtar. I am a third year engineering student from Manipal Institute of Technology. I am here to present you my idea, Imagineer. Okay, so let's start. This is the graph showing the number of increase in the number of engineering graduates in India. As you can see, there is a large increase in the 2000s. We've also discussed about the employability issues of the engineers which India faces right now. So what we plan to do is we want to increase the employability of Indian engineers. So why a change is required in the employability is because there's some students are facing poor placements. They're not getting co-placements. The colleges are also showing poor co-placements. And the companies, after recruiting, have to give students suitable training as they're getting underskilled and unskilled workforce from recruiting. So the next point comes is, do people and the companies and the students agree with us? Now, the students in India, mostly engineering graduates, are getting not high-paying jobs. We're not talking about IITs, NITs, or two good private colleges. I'm talking about low-level or local colleges in India. They're not getting too many core jobs. The colleges are also showing low core placements. And the companies, after recruiting, they have to give a lot of training, spending money, resources, and time on it. So the present situation is, or how the market today is dealing with it is, the students, after getting placed, have to go through a training. And the companies and the colleges, for improving the placements, give special recruitment programs to their students to increase their placement. So this is how the present situation is. The colleges, the companies, and the students are. And we plan to place Imagineer here. Now, Imagineer is basically a website. I'll tell you the benefits of the website is. What we plan to do is, we plan to improve the link between the companies, colleges, and the students by providing proper information about the students to the companies in form of bars, graph charts, etc. We intend to provide company information to the students so that they can choose their future career with more correctness. For that also, we need to provide the job requirements and what the students would be doing in the companies. Plus, we will be providing students with projects related to the kind of job they'll be doing in their companies. Also, we intend to evaluate students on a weekly basis. The problem in India's engineering education is we have one semester exam and a student studies 2 days for it and fares very well. But the knowledge is gained over the 1 year or one semester is not retained. So for that, weekly evaluation is very important for the students to make them a complete engineer. So we intend to do that also. The next is the market size. Considering the increase in the number of Indian engineering graduates, we have a big enough market size. Plus the colleges also, there are large number of colleges catering to a large number of students, so we have a market size here. The timing, India needs a technological education change right now. It's going through a change. We have big cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad coming up with all the IT companies. So India needs more educated and more skillful workers right now. So the timing is correct, I think. The advantages, as you all know, the students will get better jobs, the companies will have more skilled workers, and the colleges will show better placement record. Can we do it? Yes, we can do it. We need some persuasion from our side towards the colleges to initially get them into the project, but once they see the benefit, they like us. The companies will definitely like the idea of getting more skilled and more suitable workers. A prototype of this thing will require a web designer, 2 to 3 engineering colleges, and 5 to 6 companies. We're already working on the website. It's not up yet, but it will be up in a few days. The project can be validated by students getting more jobs and the companies getting more skilled workers. Put together, it can be done. It can be implemented, and it will be implemented. The companies will like to get more suitable workers, and it will help India grow faster too. That's it. Thank you.